Okay, I'll also just grab slow. Let's see if I can try doing pull-ups. Hello and good morning, you guys. It is 6:42 a.m. on what is a nice, chill start to Thursday, episode 12 of the J&J campaign. I would have done it yesterday if it wasn't for that heat wave, so I'm doing it today, and I'm gonna get back at it because it was a very unproductive day for most of yesterday, and I thought, like, hey, I can't stay at home all day, like, I want to do something. Well, there was a point that I had to get out of the house, though, especially in that heat. Right, hopefully there isn't anyone else. Oh, great, because I've been waiting here for 3 minutes. Alright, well, this is where I get off. At this point, here goes that other train. It is freaking windy out here now, and it's the same as last time. Like, on one day we had the peak of a heat wave, and the next day it get very windy. And here's the pier, but I just realized that there's currently no access because I think it's under some kind of, well, it does give a sign saying that it's under construction right now, so they are working on something. All right, so I just came here at the sports park, so what I'm gonna do is something like this. Okay, I'll also just grab slow. Let's see if I can try doing pull-ups. Oh, whew. Ah, ooh. Wow, that would have been so heavy. And the fact that yesterday, at times, whenever I would move my arms, it would give an ache. At least it's gone now, but I'm just hoping that it doesn't come back at this point. And what I had showed you just 2 clips ago, it's similar to an exercise that I did in my Pilates class on Monday. Right, I just tried going up on this, but well, you can see my hands gone red. But like, just look at the steps. Like, that's also worth hefty effort. The second time I tried that, it was easy. Like, I killed it just like that. But again, like, you just have to make sure that you know when to take the step of each platform, like as you go up the platforms. I'm gonna have one more go at this. Wow, dude, that is just like climbing up a mountain, but it does make me feel my muscles, either one way or another. Holy crap! This wind is just like that angry gamer that once was, you know, like I would, as if I'm talking about somebody else, but of course it's me, but you know, it's like me when I wear that navy blue sweater and with a navy blue mask, like I'm some kind of guy in disguise and acting like some kind of gamer who's angry all the time, who rants about different things. Like it's so insane at this point to believe, like, just one day we went from being cooked like chicken in the oven to this. Here's this bent tree over here. Look at that. Oh yeah. Wow. Holy hell, dude. Whoa. I'm not gonna hang on to that. Okay, well those must be just some forest workers over here. Woohoo! What can I call this dude over here? But I really like the graffiti because it does represent something funny here. Like, I can tell from the graffiti that he does look like a fighting dude here. And you. Yeah. That's none of your business. I don't know what to call this. Mr. Chickenhead or something? Mr. Chickenhead. I think that's the best name I could come with it for some reason. Well, luckily they have another pier at this park here, and it's open. There's no sign saying that I can't get in there, so I'll try it out. Well, there's certain parts of this pier that when I step on it, they shake so much, like they do tend to rattle, so it can be a bit crazy in here, and especially while it's so windy. Damn, that's just... Oh, and yeah, when I saw that piece of work and the graffiti, that immediately made me think of some person with no name. It's like, hey, I have no name, I have no house, I have nowhere to have food, this and that, so I'm like a beggar on the street. The tide is moving so fast right now, as you can see, and like this is not even a beach, this is a lake. Folks, this is a lake, and tide is still moving this freaking insanely. Well, at least that was a fortune, because the other pier that I got up to 30 minutes ago, that is closed and is under maintenance. And this is just another pier, but that's also under maintenance right now. So only the, well, I was going to say only the middle pier, but I found out that there is another pier all the way over there. But now I'm gonna make it out of here. Time's 9:52. It was another really nice morning walk. A week and a half ago, I had been to Floria and did a seaside walk over there at a much earlier hour. And at the same area, there's an aquarium, and I found out that they don't operate until 10 a.m. of the day, so they are still not working. But that did actually give me an idea, because I was thinking, like, how would I end my J&J campaign? So I will bring J&J 2025 to a conclusion next Wednesday, July the 30th. And I thought it would be really nice and a very eventful end to J&J 25. Going to the aquarium. Like, I would love that idea. There's also a mall next to it, but I'm just thinking that the aquarium visit would be a more entertaining and a more eventful end to the campaign. I ended J&J 24 by going to the Naval Museum, so I thought it would be a great idea to end this J&J campaign going to the aquarium. That would be nice. So I'm gonna take the train, head back to my house, so it's gonna be an early end to the vlog because this afternoon I'm gonna be going to work. I'm joking, but I am going to have a video session and I'll be returning to my weekly sessions after having took so many weeks off. So that's it. See ya.